It's the Isley cooking show. It's the Isley cooking show. It's the Isley cooking show. Welcome to the Isley cooking show. Today we're making Butterscotch Squares. Today's special guest is Grandpa.
Hello! It's so good to see you. I came all the way from Boston for this. I have a special recipe for you and all of your viewers. I used to love this as a kid and I made it for years and I still make it. It's my favorite. I want to share it with you. Because you know why? Because I love you. So what we need for this is Rice Krispies. Do we have those? We need peanut butter. Yep, and we need butterscotch morsels.
First step is measuring 4 cups of Rice Krispies.
That's 2 of these full. Pour those into here.
I'm gonna pour it into this big motion. This big bowl.
Right here.
We need to measure 2 more cups.
You do a really good job, Chef.
Thanks, you chef.
Okay, Chefy.
The next step is we're gonna melt peanut butter and butterscotch together.
Oh, that wasn't for you guys. Oh, those are so good. I love those. You know what? Maybe we should just eat them. No, we have to use them. Let's pour those into here. All of them.
There's so many.
Yeah,
I
you
can't
know what?
even count.
I think there's too many. Maybe we should eat one more.
We put the butterscotch in the bowl. Now we can put in the peanut butter.
You know how much peanut butter we put in? I just guess it. We're gonna take 2 really big scoops. How about
Cut
this?
together.
Yeah, I know. Another
That
one?
totally looks yummy.
It does.
Ah,
You know what? I usually take bigger scoops. Let's do 1 more big scoop. Got it? Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
the next step is melting it together on a low heat.
Here they go. They're going to become mush.
Ah, I don't see it.
Well,
Jumpy.
can I help?
That was a jumpy one, wasn't it, Grandpa?
You know what's really good? To make sure it's coming out okay, lick the spoon.
Taste test. Ah.
Isn't that good? I love it. Let's keep stirring.
The consistency.
It's very, very good. We're going to let it melt a little bit more. What do you think?
Good.
I hope someday I can be a chef, not a sous chef.
Well, when you get little, like as little as I am,
Well, I'm only getting bigger though.
we need to get little.
I can't get littler.
Then you can't be a chef. The Isley cooking show is just a kids show.
So why am I here?
Because growing up can help make stuff instead of not be a chef.
Like mud.
It looks like mud. The next step is to pour it in a bowl with the Rice Krispies.
You scoop all that out?
Yeah.
Mix it up. Now we mix it up. Let's mix. She's really
It
excited
almost
about
tipped
this.
over. It almost tipped over.
We would
when
have
you
to
went
start
up.
all over if it tipped over.
Ah,
Keep mixing.
It's stuck on there, Grandpa.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh well, that's a mess that we can leave for Mommy and Daddy to pick up. We gotta keep mixing. Hopefully more will spill out and we can eat that.
Yeah.
Wow. That looks really good. Make sure it's not poison. It's so good, isn't it? So we're covering all of the Rice Krispies with this. All of them have to be covered so they stick together.
The next tip is putting what is in the bowl into the baking pan.
So I'm gonna lift it up and you're gonna scoop it all out.
Well, at the bottom, it looks yummy-o.
Doesn't
At the
it?
bottom, it's going to be yummy-o, I think.
You better get the yummier parts out. Make sure you get all of it. I love that. Crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. My mom would always let me do this. Brad, you can come lick the bowl.
The last tip is putting it in the fridge and let it cool for 6 minutes.
20.
20 minutes.
Okay, you just want to eat it faster, don't you? 20 minutes. 2, 0, start. Make so loud, they look so good. Don't they look so good, Misha? The last tip is cutting them up into carols. They're all breaking apart, which is good because now we may not have to cut them.
I'm gonna cut them. They're a little cold.
Whoa, look at her. Should we try them?
Yeah. Yummy.
So good. So good. These are so good, Isley. Thank you.
Wow, that is good. Thanks for doing a cooking show, Grandpa.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for watching the Isley cooking show. I'll see you next time.